Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 478 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out a product that I found at the Dollar Tree the other day, and this is from a brand that I had not seen at my Dollar Tree before. So this is the MaxFactor Lipfinity Lasting Lip Tint. And I was trying to do some research on this, and everywhere that I saw that they were selling it, it was $7.99 and up, like on Walmart and Amazon, but I found this for only $1 at the Dollar Tree. But I was really excited. They had a bunch of these at my Dollar Tree, but they were brand new in there because I've been going to the Dollar Tree a lot recently. I have a lot of cards to get these days. But this sounds so great. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I love finding long-lasting lip products because I love lip products that are gonna last throughout eating and drinking. And let me tell you what this says. It says an ultra long-lasting and vibrant lip duo that together creates a smooth, sheer finish that lasts up to 12 hours. It has a semi-permanent color and a shine-boosting, moisturizing top coat. There's no need to reapply, even after eating and drinking. The original long-lasting lip color is the perfect way to make a lasting impression, now with a new applicator for true bold color. Which I was a little bit confused because I don't see how this is a duo. Let's see, does it open on this end? No. There's nothing on this end. It's just like a marker, actually, but definitely confused about why it says it's a duo. And so I have this in shade 01. Doesn't have a name though. So I'm just gonna start out by swatching it. Let's see the color. Ooh, and that's like a nice tint. It really does just feel like coloring with a marker, and then the ink dries down. But it does feather. I can tell that it's getting kind of like my hands are dry, so it's definitely feathering out of the line a little bit. So we'll see how it does on my lips. But I like this color. It's really pretty, like a berry tint. There's something so fun about the feeling of drawing on my lips with a marker. That's seriously exactly what this feels like. And it's a very thin formula, but oh my gosh, so easy to work with. And this color looks so good. Like, that's a lot of color. This is not just a tint. I'm actually like loving this lip shade because it looks like such a natural finish because it is so thin, but the color looks even and smooth on my lips, and I just feel like it's such a complimenting shade to my skin tone. Like, it's so flattering. I was not expecting this, but oh my gosh, I love how this looks. They did have a few different colors of this at my Dollar Tree, so I'm really happy I chose this one here. So let's see, did it dry? Wow. Yeah, I mean, it's not smudging, but it felt like it did have that kind of like glossy top layer because it does have like a slightly moisturizing feeling on my lips. And how I'd been a little bit concerned about the feathering effect on my hand, it's not feathering at all on my lips. It looks perfect. Like, it's basically just like using a lip liner in terms of how accurate it is. Okay, I am nervous for this kiss test because I do not want there to be any transfer because this is like the perfect lip product so far. Okay, there is the tiniest bit of transfer, but it has not budged on my lips. It still looks perfect. I mean, a little bit again. I mean, even less now, so maybe you just need to blot it a tiny bit. And it's still so perfectly on my lips. I feel like this is the perfect everyday anytime, anywhere lip product because it feels so comfortable on my lips. It's not drying like some other lip tints that I've tried. They don't have that kind of nourishing effect. This one feels so comfortable and it looks perfect and beautiful, and it's going to stay all day, and I'm so excited about it. I just also cannot get over this color. I need to stock up on this because it is perfect. Okay, so if you've tried this before, definitely let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below, what colors you've tried, because I need to get more of these. I'm seriously blown away. I love when I'm blown away by $1 makeup products. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.